Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TP-Link Archer router for stable gaming latency. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your TP-Link Archer router. Plug in the router to a power source. Connect your router to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Use the cable to connect to the WAN port on the router. Next, connect your gaming device to the router using an Ethernet cable for the most stable connect. If you prefer a wireless connection, make sure your device is within range of the router's Wi-Fi signal. Access the router's web interface by opening a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, into the address bar. Log in with the default username and password. Typically both are admin. Once logged in, navigate to the network settings. Set your internet connection type to DHCP if it isn't already selected. Then, proceed to the wireless settings. Set your SSID, which is the name of your Wi-Fi network. Choose channel width to 40 MHz for 2.4 GHz band and 80 MHz for the 5 GHz band for better speeds. Assign a different channel, such as 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz to avoid interference. For the 5 GHz band, channels like 36, 40, or 44 often provide optimal performance. Next, turn on the Quality of Service, or QoS, feature in the settings. This will help prioritize gaming traffic over other types of data. Add your gaming device's MAC address to the QoS settings for even better performance. Now, enable the IPv4 and IPv6 settings under the appropriate menu. This ensures all traffic routes efficiently. Save all your changes and allow the router to reboot. Once rebooted, test the connection with your gaming device. The final step is to use a speed test tool to check latency and speed. Make adjustments based on the results for any further optimization. And you're ready to enjoy a stable gaming experience with low latency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.